Hey guys, it's Maria 𝐿oBalsamo, and today we are going to talk about how you can make $100 a pop on social media with a little tool that I have. And quite frankly, guys, this is amazing in many, many ways, but this can be used for either brand new marketers or seasoned marketers, and it is the quickest way to make 100% commissions, $100 a pop, okay? And this is also great. And what I really love about it too is that for newer marketers, you can easily have $100 a pop coming in, 100% commissions, $100 coming in for each sale that you make while you're learning possibly some other marketing skills or another product that you're offering or considering offering. This is a low ticket product that is very cool, and it is very slick. It is very resourceful. It is very unique, and it is interesting, quite frankly, and people love it. So this is what we're going to do. We talked about how in previous videos, my 10 steps. So what I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you do that, and then you're going to reach out. That one part of the 10 steps is reaching out to the recent friends that you made, right? They accepted your friend request or you accepted theirs, and you're going to use a certain strategy, which is a text that I'm going to give you, and you can copy it, you can type it up for yourself, and you can send it off and start making yourself $100 and get some money, some cash flow coming in, okay? So what I am talking about is an artificial intelligence robot. It is very, very cool because what it is you purchase it one time. It's only $100, so it's very affordable. That's amazing in itself. And each one of them that you move, right? You would get your own phone number, and each one of them that you move, you make 100% commissions. You would make $100 a pop. And the best thing about it is it sells itself, but on the inside, you can also offer another product to sell. So like, for example, for myself, I do high ticket, low ticket, and recurring income programs, okay? I'm a network and I'm an affiliate marketer. So I have all of those, and those are, very different in many different ways. But this low ticket is so fun and interesting and slick and resourceful and does selling for you, and it sells itself on top of it, that it's quite frankly a no-brainer. Okay, guys? So what you would do is you'll see underneath this video, it says, it talks about artificial intelligence, and you would call the phone number. So if the person calls the phone number, which would be your phone number, if you got it from me, say today, you would get your own phone number, and then you would simply share that phone number with the text that we're going to go through with other people, okay, and make sales. So you would have your own phone number, and it's a one-time cost of $100. Okay, so this is the script, guys. This is what I want you to use. So remember, in the 10 steps, if you haven't watched the 10 steps, daily action steps that I take every day for Facebook, you need to go and please watch that video. One step, again, is to reach out to your new friends. So your greeting text is going to be, hey, so-and-so, thanks for connecting. I did take a look over your profile. Make sure you do that, okay? But I don't like making new friends on Facebook without getting to know something about them. So please tell me something about yourself. What are you up to? Okay? And then they're going to come back and they're going to start conversating with you, and you're going to conversate with them. And then your next text is going to be, that's awesome. As for me, I've been doing affiliate marketing here on Facebook. I've actually been using this really cool new AI or artificial intelligence text message sales robot to generate leads and sales for my primary business. It also sells itself for 100% commissions of $100 a pop, which is really sweet. Honestly, just using it to sell itself has been some of the easiest money I've ever made because it is just so cool and slick. Everyone wants it, and that's the truth, guys. Let me know if you'd like to take a look at it and see if it would be useful in your business. So guys, it is that simple, because it's not a huge commitment. It doesn't take a huge commitment, okay? Like I mentioned, I'm a network marketer, but that takes more of a commitment. It takes a lot because you have to build the relationship first, and that's a higher commitment. This is so non-threatening, and there's no real commitment here. You know, they find it interesting, they're gonna buy it for $100 because now they only had to pay $100 one time. They share it with other people. They're making $100 a pop, so you can make at least $100 today. So I challenge you to. This is what I want you to do. I got my cell phone. Okay. There I am, guys. Okay. On Facebook. Now you can do this on other social media too. There's my friends. So I'm clicking on my friends, right? And on your friends, you have your all and your recent. I'm clicking on my recent. Hopefully you guys can see this. All my recent friends, those are the ones that I want you to just do this method with, and reach out. Try to do, if you can, 50 a day. If you can't, I understand that you have to do less because of schedules and things like that and other demanding things, but if you can do at least 50 a day, that would be great, guys, because really you're only sending 2 messages. That's it. You're just saying hello basically in the first one, and then they're going to respond back, and then you're going to respond back with the artificial intelligence text to use. That's awesome, etc. And then they're going to say, cool. They're going to want it. They're going to respond. They're going to ask you for it. And then you're going to just say, awesome. Just call this number and listen to the 1-minute recorded message. Now, this is my phone number, guys. Okay. You're going to see that below this video, but you're going to get your own phone number. And then you're going to take this whole thing, type it up, save it on your desktop, save whatever you need to do so you have it. And then you're just going to replace my phone number with yours. Okay. Guys, this is so easy. It's almost a child could do it, seriously. And also, by the way, guys, you can get paid using PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, even Bitcoin, a credit card, I believe you can hook up to if you want to. And that's it. Now, if you're newer and you need help on where to find friends, I made another video on that too, and it talks about going into groups and becoming friends with members in those groups and things like that, because you want to go into the affiliate and network marketer space, and you want to go into those kinds of groups, and you want to make friends with the members in those groups. So if you haven't seen that video, I suggest that you go through all my tutorials, because they will help you very, very much. And so I do highly recommend that. I'm just checking out my notes. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. So yeah, no, that's basically it, guys. This thing is unique, cool, it's slick, affordable. There's no huge commitment. It's fun. I mean, it got my attention because I thought it was just so cool, and I love technology. I even use technology to build my audience on Facebook. And if that's something that you're interested in, you can just shoot me a message and let me know. And it's just so resourceful. And other than the fact that it's really cool and really, really slick and it's easy money, guys, I loved the fact that it sells itself for $100, but then I get to promote my high ticket or my network marketing business on the inside. for something I paid for one time for $100. That's incredible, guys. You can see my high tickets offer below and things like that, but I'm telling you, this is an incredible tool. It's just so non-threatening to people because it doesn't stress them out, because it doesn't take a huge commitment, and it makes them money. And the only way you're not going to make money with this, to be perfectly honest with you, is if you just aren't contacting 50 people a day. And I specialize in Facebook, but you've got Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You've got all sorts of social media that you can do this on, guys. So, I mean, that's what I want you to do. I want you to, your goal to be 50. If you cannot do 50, just do something, guys, because like I said, a kid can do it. And if you're not making the $100, at least $100 a day, then you're just not hitting enough people. Okay, so the information is going to be below the video for artificial intelligence and any other programs that I recommend. And if you have any questions, you can reach me on Facebook or on my email. You can shoot me an email there. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and hit the notification bell so that you know when new videos come out. And if you haven't already checked it out, and you could use the help, go ahead and check out my playlist on social media tutorials, and I think you'll get a lot of value from that. And other than that, get moving. Let's get some cash in your bank or in your pocket, however you want to put it, guys, and let's get rolling. See you on the inside. Bye.